Alright, for the ingredients, we just need onions, calamansi or lemon, garlic, toyo, and beef. So, depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo lagyan pa ng salt, pepper, or anything na mga pang-spice. And 5 tablespoon ng toyo for a half kilo ng beef. Hinit ko na yung pan, and then kapag mainit la, ilagay nyo na yung oil. And for this bistek recipe, I want it oily, so more oil, more fun ako dito. So hindi ko na talaga measure kung ilang tablespoon ng oil. And then after that, pinan-fry ko na yung onions. And then for the onions, hindi ko talaga siya lulutuin. Aantayin ko lang na medyo mag-semi-soft yung texture niya, not translucent. And then set aside for later use. And then I put more oil because I told you I love oil. And then, pinan-fry ko yung beef on the same pan for about a minute or 2 or until medyo mag-brown na yung kulay ng ating beef. So, kapag nag-brown na, again, isa-set aside mo yung beef kasama yung marinade. Separate yung marinade, by the way. And on the same pan, ginisa ko yung garlic and most of the onions. And iniwan ko lang yung mga pang toppings for later. So, igisa-gisa mo lang siya hanggang sa mag-translucent yung kulay ng onion. And then, put in the marinade. And then, put in also 1 cup ng tubig. And then, let it boil. And so, kapag nag-boil na, pwede mo nang ilagay yung beef natin. And then, basically, dahil manipis nga yung beef natin, luto na talaga to. So, antayin ko na lang to, hininaan ko yung apoy or yung init. And then, I'll just let it simmer. Simmer until makuha ko yung ganitong consistency ng sauce niya. So, oily, hindi siya masyadong masabaw. So, that's it. That's our finished product. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon again on the next video. Bye!